In this video, we will use Google Chrome to set up MetaMask Wallet. First, navigate to website metamask.io. From here, you can click Download button. Just click Install MetaMask for Chrome and it will direct to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. Within a few moments, we will see MetaMask has been added to extension. Here we go. From here you have two options. If you have secret recovery phrase before, you can import the wallet here. But if you are new, you will need to create a new wallet. After you read through this statement, you can agree and proceed. Next, you will need to create a password to access your wallet. Then, this is where you need to back up your secret recovery phrase. If anybody gains access to these 12 words, they can have full access control of your MetaMask wallet. So write it down on a piece of paper and keep this store in a very safe place. Once you write it down, click Next. Now, you will need to select them in the correct order in which they were displayed. After finished, confirm that. All done. And right here is your wallet. To import ELRON token into your MetaMask account, you will need to change the current network from Ethereum mainnet to Binance Smart Chain. After that, you will see BNB token in your account and you can click Import Token to import ELRON token. Then, you will need to fill up token address here. To get the token address, navigate to ELRON whitepaper, docs.elron.io. Go to Token Allocation topic. And copy the token address from here. After that, go back to MetaMask tab and paste the address here. It will auto-fill in the empty space below. Click Add Custom Token, then Import Tokens. You will see ELRON token has been successfully added to your MetaMask account. Next, we will show how to buy ELRON token using USDT at PancakeSwap. So, go to PancakeSwap.finance. Select Trade, and click Swap. Then choose USDT. And paste the ELRON token address here, which you have copied just now. Click ELRON token. Tick I understand and import. Key in the USDT amount that you wish to swap. Then connect wallet and select MetaMask. Click Enable USDT. Then you can swap token now. After you read through this, click Confirm Swap. We can skip this part if we already import ELRON token in MetaMask. Then, go back to MetaMask Wallet. You will see your USDT has been successfully swapped to ELRON token.